What's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for my new follower or for new subscriber. Yeah, so today it's a little bit cloudy day, as you can see. Let me turn my camera. Yeah, oh yeah, it's a little bit cloudy. Okay, back to me again. So I know this time it's really hard situation even for me, and especially for the drone pilot, because yeah, we cannot go outside and you need always to take the distance with other people. Well, basically it's really hard situation, and here, the place where I live in Netherlands, we are advised to stay inside. Yeah, I don't know until when. And for me it's really hard because yeah, if I want to fly my drone I need to go outside, and it's really hard, I know, for everybody also. But I hope everybody stays strong, and we know that this thing is going to be better and we can fly our drone freely, and of course under the rule, I mean. And today what I want to do is I want to share my way or my style, how I do the post-production with my drone footage for my drone video, as you can see from my previous video already. Because it's been a while, I want to share this thing, but I think today is the right timing. And because yeah, as in the beginning I said already that I couldn't go outside, and of course yeah, everybody's advised to stay inside, so we can jump to my computer. So as you can see here, we are in the Final Cut Pro. Yeah, actually I'm using this Final Cut Pro since I start to learn how to edit. Yeah, I know you guys, maybe other people using Premiere Pro or something, or Adobe Resolve or something else, but I think in myself this is only the editing software that it works for myself. And you can see here I always shoot my drone footage in D-Log, and I'm using DJI Mavic Pro. So as you can see here, it's my footage over the Tulpen Island in somewhere in the sea world or something. It's very hard for me to pronounce in Dutch. Yeah, basically it's a tulip island. It's a man-made island. So I just show you how I color grade. As you can see here, sometimes you need to check also, because from the Mavic Pro footage, from the raw, like you take straight from your SD card, is mostly sometimes the horizon is really not straight, so sometimes you need to adjust here, and like the rotation, whether it's more to the left or to the right, and then yeah, just adjust is minus or plus. And you need to scale also, because of course when you change the rotation, you need to zoom a little bit more. Okay, then we can see here the horizon is good. And then here, sorry, I have my color grading done. I just removing this one, right? And you can see here, this is really the D-Log footage. So what I do, I always do here search, and you do, because I always using LUT, so it saves your time, like yeah, it's a little bit. You check your LUT. Sorry for my English, because it's really is not my native language. I speak Indonesia, I speak a little bit Dutch, so I hope you guys understand what I mean. So we see here LUT, and you click it, and you can see, because I have here several LUTs here already. So I didn't show how is my looks. I just want to show you guys how you apply the LUT, and here, yeah, now it looks better. It's much better, but still, in my taste, I still need to put it down the shadow, and then I put it down a little bit the highlight and midtone. So sorry for the sound of my washing machine. So I hope it's clear, you can listen. So here I can change the highlight a little bit, like like this one is enough, and then turn down a little bit the midtones, and also the shadow also a little bit, as you can see here. Yeah, it looks better. It goes to my taste, but I know everybody has a different taste, so this is how I do it myself. And yeah, I would like to raise up a little bit the saturation, so yeah, it looks better. I think a little bit midtone, I put it down. Yes, now it looks better. Now let me remove the color. Yeah, so this is the look of, yeah, for me it looks nice. And I don't say that I'm pro, but this is how I do my footage, and basically this is how I do my footage. Yeah, it's interesting, it looks nice, and also it's over the beautiful place, so yeah, it's entertaining. So that's the process, like the little process that how I do my footage. So the summary is me, I always shoot my footage in D-Log, and I always, because yeah, some other people they prefer to Light and or maybe in natural, but for me I just find out this way since 2 years ago, and I find it's way better because I always like to adjust the color in post-production. I mean, so for me with the D-Log I have more room to adjust my color. So, and in the other side you need to make sure that the horizon also it's in level, like I mean it's really straight, because when your horizon is look like bending to the right or a little bit to the left, yeah, for me it seems look like less professional. Well, I hope you guys have an idea, and of course like inspire also. I don't say like I'm the most inspiring person in this planet, but I hope you guys have an idea how to edit and do post-production for your drone footage, and of course to create a really good drone content in your channel or wherever you want, or for your wedding or something else, because everybody have different project. So I hope everybody enjoy my tutorial, my small tutorial. I mean, it's not really big, but I'm happy that I can share to you guys to what I'm doing and to what I love to. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you don't subscribe yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button under the video, and of course don't forget to ring the bell. And yeah, that's all. I hope to see you on my next video, and of course stay safe and be strong, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.